In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add head and shoulders chart pattern, quick and easy guide. We'll be using Tradingview for this walkthrough, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up the built-in head and shoulders pattern tool in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you're learning technical analysis, or you simply want a quick way to spot this classic reversal pattern on your charts. First, make sure you're on any chart in Tradingview. It can be a stock, crypto, forex, or any other asset, and any time frame you like. Once your chart is open and loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. Clicking this will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where Tradingview keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and pattern finders. You'll see a search bar at the top of this window. Instead of scrolling through a long list, we're going to use that search bar to find what we need much faster. In the search field, type the word head. You don't need to type the full phrase or head and shoulders because Tradingview will start filtering results as soon as you begin typing. After a moment, you should see head and shoulders or head and shoulders chart pattern appear in the list of built-in tools or technicals. Once you see it in the list, move your cursor over that option and click on it. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your chart. You can close the indicators window to get a clear view. Now you should see Tradingview automatically scan your price data and highlight any detected head and shoulders formations directly on the chart. These are usually marked with labels or outlines so you can quickly spot the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. If nothing appears right away, don't worry. Try zooming out or changing the time frame to give the indicator more data to work with. From here, you can hover over the pattern, study how price moved before and after it formed, and use that information in your trading strategy. If you want to adjust the settings, you can click the indicator name at the top of the chart to fine-tune how sensitive it is and how it displays patterns. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the head and shoulders chart pattern to your Tradingview chart quickly and easily.